Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about Confessions of a Professional Organizer, Part 6. Oh my gosh, I have been having so much fun with these confessions, and really just a whole lot of fun with getting all moved out, and ready to move on up. I'm actually going higher up in floors as well. I like living up high. How about you? You can always leave some comments below about your living situation and what you love most about it. Today's confession is the sewing kit. See this sewing kit? This sewing kit was given to me when I was 12 years old. That's a long time ago. I used to babysit my next door neighbors, and this was a special gift that they gave me because I was starting off sewing, and I've cherished it for all these years. But let's get real. Am I sewing? No, I don't even ever lose a button. And look it, I've got an entire big bag of buttons here. They've got to go. I don't need those. Also in my sewing kit from when I was in Brownies and Girl Guides, look at labels. You iron them onto your clothes so that you know which clothes are yours, and hopefully they get home from summer camp in the right bag. I'm not going to use these, and nobody else has my name to be able to use them. All right, there's also, look, some tassels. Okay, don't get naughty here, but what am I going to do with these? I have been able to condense my sewing kit down into this small little plastic Tupperware container. Just think of the size that I have saved by not carrying this around. If I ever need any sewing jobs done or any help with any mending or anything like that, I have a very dear friend who owns Hello Beautiful Textiles. She can turn anything into the most beautiful objects. She repurposes all kinds of things, and she helps out women that are getting back into the workforce by teaching them how to sew, just to name a few things that she does. I'll leave her link below in case you need to have something made or mended or repurposed. In the meantime, what is one of your confessions? What's something that you've been holding on to that you know you just simply don't need anymore? Kiss the sewing kit goodbye. It's off to donate today. And in the meantime, check out the rest of the article below. Leave your comments as always, and share the love by sharing this link. Check out GettingItTogether.ca.